Hi there. I'm going to go over a progression of a side plank. This is called the Copenhagen Plank. I assume it was created in Copenhagen. I don't know that for a fact, but that's what I assume. A couple things you're going to need, probably a yoga mat, but you'll need an elevated surface. I chose to do this one with a chair because the chair has a little bit of cushion on it. It's a pretty comfortable chair. You can also use a bench that I have behind me here as well. It doesn't matter. Generally speaking, you want it to be 12 to 18 inches off of the ground though, generally speaking. What this is going to do is increase the recruitment of our internal obliques and our adductors. Just be aware that this is a higher demand on the adductors specifically, and if you're not necessarily ready for this, if you haven't gotten to a really comfortable point with like a star plank, this could be a very difficult exercise for you. So just keep that in mind. All the other side plank mechanics are going to stay the same though. We're going to make sure we use our lats and stabilize our shoulders. We push into the ground. We want to make sure our trunk is stacked on top. The hips and the shoulders aren't out of line as we set up. So I'm going to have one foot on the chair. Okay, I've got my ankle bone, my malleolus, supported on that chair. My foot is locked at 90 degrees or into dorsiflexion. Okay, and then I'm going to start by securing my shoulder nice and tight through here. I'm going to lift up. I'm going to keep my bottom foot on the ground for a moment so I can find my position. And then I will lift that foot off of the ground. So I'm now supporting myself on that top leg, and I feel the tension running all the way up and through, as well as through that bottom side. So it's internal here and external through here. So you hold it for the indicated amount of time and then switch and do the same thing on the other side. This is really great for core stability, knee stability, hip stability, and shoulder stability. So being able to maintain really good positions in that sense. You can do this from a higher level difficulty as well. So instead of going from the elbow, you could also go from the hand to increase stability demand if you want to. Okay. Good luck, have fun, be careful, and as always, let me know if you have any questions.